As the Italian judge Bellugi has given the verdict, so we can easily eliminate choice A to fit blank 1 because 1 expiates spontaneously through own conscience, and expiation or atonement is resulted from one's own mind and consciousness, but not by any aspect of laws. The verdict has been given as the accusations of sporting fraud were baseless, so as a prediction for blank 1, Conte has been acquitted or absolved, which mean the same as choice B means. Choice C means opposite of choice B, and the prediction has done for blank 1. So choice B is the correct answer for blank 1. Now, the accusations of a sporting fraud was baseless, and so the verdict is to be a vindication according to the passage, and the answer of blank 1 to make sense to fit the blank 2 as correct answer. As the accusations are baseless, so the verdict cannot be oblique or censure or disapproval from the judge for contest. So choice E and F are incorrect to fit blank 2, and choice D is the correct answer to fit the blank 2. So the correct answers are choice B and choice D.